behalf of Wales McClellan, I just want to say how proud we are of being part of the team that built the addition to the Langley Event Center. We use the design, build, construction method, and it's important to note that the traditional contractor versus client relationship is significantly different when using the design build model. It really is more of an integrated team approach, as opposed to me sitting on one side of the table and the client sitting on the opposite side of the table. It really does have a team dynamic where we're all sitting around the table together and we're working together to get the project done. Specifically with the Langley Event Center, we were dealing with some challenges right out of the gate. We had to complete the project within a very, very finite period of time and a very aggressive construction schedule to meet the demands of the community. There was a big basketball tournament going on and they made commitments. This particular project was a little bit different because we were designing on the fly because we had to move and start everything at a very, very early date. There were many, many stakeholders at play in this project. Langley being one of them. The municipality had to really work with us and we had to work with them along with the architects to really move forward and fast track sort of the pre-construction part of this project. We were on site with a foundation permit early before we had a building permit, getting work done as the design's still happening. And the important part from the client's perspective on the design side is we never compromised the integrity of what they wanted. We had a very clear performance specification delivered by the client to us that was match the existing building and here's all the functions we want within the facility. Fortunately for us, we had a very good architect in CTA, and John Christensen was available and worked really, really hard on this project. And just some of the tricky aspects of a public facility being managing the air conditioning systems, the mechanical systems. BC Comfort did a great job of really bringing forward state-of-the-art equipment and design services to a project that was really, really put together within a tight time frame. Specific outcome of this project, I'm particularly proud of the fact that we were able to accomplish the design, build, delivery method with a public entity, with a municipality. Typically what would happen is municipalities go forward with an RFP, they'll hire an architect, they'll put together their own design team, they'll put together a list of drawings, and then they'll come to a general contractor like myself or like others, and they'll get us to price those drawings. So it becomes very much of, they put everything together, we price it, we try to come down to the lowest price, and then we go and we build it. As opposed to this particular model where we're all on the same side of the table, we're all working together to realize the best performing building we possibly can for the best dollar. And while we're designing it, we're pricing it and value engineering it all the way through. The economy of this project, I suspect we probably saved somewhere between 15 to 20% doing it this way versus the traditional method, because we were able to work with performance specification. We were able to find within our own team, we're able to find economies and efficiencies within the design and the performance of the building, which ultimately led to savings to the client without compromising schedule, without compromising quality. I'm very happy to be part of this project.